Okay, real quick. This one's trending hard, and I totally get why. It's rare that something this affordable feels this premium. You can really tell they paid attention to the details. No wonder everyone's obsessed with it. Seriously, go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Okay, real quick. This one's trending hard, and I totally get why. This product's everywhere right now, and it deserves the attention. Smooth performance, clean design, and the price? Honestly, a total steal. If you're curious, check the link in the description. You'll see why everyone's talking about it. Wait a second, this one caught me off guard. It's actually that good. People can't stop leaving good reviews for this one, and now I get the hype. It's reliable, looks amazing, and works like a charm every single time. Go click the link below before it sells out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.
All right, you gotta check this out. People can't stop buying it. Everyone's hyped about this, and I was curious too. Turns out, it's totally worth it. Great quality, simple to use, and the results are exactly what you'd hope for.